Hello everyone. In this video, we'll take a complete tour of the Retail POS Cashier Screen. I'll explain how to use it and introduce all the important features available on this screen. Before we begin, let's first understand who SARA POS Retail is designed for. SARA POS is suitable for almost any type of retail business that needs inventory management and billing. Whether you own a grocery store, pharmacy, supermarket, electronics shop, clothing store, hardware shop, gift shop, or any other retail business, SARA POS can help you manage your daily operations efficiently. One important thing to know is that everything you're about to see on the Windows version is also available on the Android version. Every feature, every option, and every function works on Android exactly the same way. We carefully designed both the Windows and Android versions to provide the same complete experience. So, if you're using the Android app, you can follow this tutorial as well, because every feature shown here is available there too. Now, let's begin exploring the Retail POS screen. Another great feature of SARA POS is that you can operate the entire billing screen using only your keyboard. You don't need to use a mouse at all. The interface has been designed so cashiers can work faster by navigating through the system entirely with keyboard shortcuts, making the billing process quicker and more efficient. Now, let's take a quick overview of the Retail POS screen. At the top, you'll see the SARA POS logo. Next to the logo, there's a small status indicator. When the indicator is green and blinking, it means your internet connection is active. If your internet connection is lost, the indicator will turn red. But don't worry. Even if the internet is disconnected, your billing process will continue without interruption. SARA POS automatically switches to offline mode and safely saves all transactions locally. Once the internet connection is restored, the system will automatically synchronize all pending data with the server. This intelligent offline synchronization ensures that your business can continue operating even during internet outages. Next, you'll find the notifications section. Important system notifications and alerts will appear here whenever necessary. On the side navigation menu, you'll see the current screen indicator, showing that you're currently on the POS screen. Below that is the expenses section. Here you can record cash in, cash out, income, and business expenses directly from the POS system. Next is the shortcut to the admin panel, allowing you to quickly access the administration dashboard whenever needed. You'll also find options to change the cashier password and close the current cashier shift, all from this section. Now, let's look at the billing card section. This is where all the products you add to a customer's bill will appear. For each product, you'll see important details such as the item name, quantity, MRP, discount, and the total amount. You can add products by simply scanning the barcode with a barcode scanner, or by manually searching and selecting the product. Once added, each item will be listed automatically in the billing cart. Below the billing cart, you'll notice the hold option. This feature is extremely useful during busy business hours. For example, if a customer is still shopping or takes some time to decide on additional items, you don't have to keep the next customer waiting. Simply place the current bill on hold, continue serving the next customer, and return to the held bill whenever the customer is ready. You can activate the hold function by pressing F5 on your keyboard or by clicking the hold button with your mouse. Next is the clear cart option. If you want to remove all products from the current bill and start over, simply press the Escape SC key on your keyboard. You can also click the clear button using your mouse. Moving on, we have the cash in feature. Press F1 to record a cash in transaction. such as adding cash to the cash drawer or recording additional income. Next is cash out. To record business expenses or remove cash from the cash drawer, press F12 or simply click the cash out button. The products button gives you quick access to your complete product catalog. You can open it by pressing the assigned shortcut key or by clicking the button. From there, you can browse and manually select products to add to the current bill. Finally, you'll also find the Shift Close option, which allows the cashier to securely close the current working shift at the end of the day or when handing over to the next cashier. Now, let's move on to the hold list. Press F4 to open the list of all held orders. If you've previously placed a customer's bill on hold, you can quickly retrieve it from this list and continue the billing process exactly where you left off. The next option is service charges. If you need to add a service charge to the current bill, simply press F6 and enter the required amount. For product returns or customer refunds, use the returns feature. Press F7 to process returned items and issue a refund according to your store's return policy. If you'd like to apply a discount to the entire order, press F8. This allows you to add either a percentage discount or a fixed amount discount to the customer's total bill. Now, let's talk about vouchers. When processing a refund, instead of returning cash or refunding to a card, you can choose to issue a voucher. The system generates a voucher with a unique barcode, which is printed on the receipt. When the customer returns for a future purchase, simply scan the voucher barcode during checkout, and the voucher value will be automatically applied to the new bill. Next is the Pay Now option. Selecting Pay Now takes you to the payment screen. If customer management is enabled in your system, you'll first be asked to select or enter the customer's details. After that, simply choose the payment method, enter the amount received from the customer, and complete the transaction. Finally, we have Quick Pay. Quick Pay is the fastest way to complete a sale. Once all the products have been added to the cart, simply press F2 or click the Quick Pay button. With a single action, SARA POS instantly completes the payment, generates the invoice, and, if your hardware is connected, automatically opens the cash drawer and prints the receipt, making the checkout process fast and efficient.